Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down.
Welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be installing this reddish brown wig. So if you've seen any of my previous videos, you'll know exactly how I do my wig installs. So first I start off with my bald cap method, and I'll cut my ears out and I'll put glue on my hairline. So after that, you want to smooth the glue out with a popsicle stick, and then once it dries down clear, you want to cut off the excess cap. So I use the LA Pro Concealer, and I use the shade Toffee. After I apply the makeup, I'm just going to use a piece of tissue with rubbing alcohol, and I'm going to get all the makeup off my skin. So I use makeup on my wig cap, but on the actual wig itself, I only use lace tint, no makeup. So after adjusting the wig to where I want it, I go ahead and cut both my ear tabs out. Next, I'm going to cut the lace into 3 equal parts so it's easier to apply onto the glue. So I'm going to pin those pieces back, and then I'm going to apply 2 layers of glue. So after letting that second layer dry down clear, I'm going to go in with that middle tab, and I'm going to press it down a little bit, and then I'm going to do the 2 side tabs, and I'm going to press it down all the way. So after I press that lace down into my skin, I go ahead with some small scissors and I cut in a zigzag motion. So next I just go in with some even lace spray, and then I'm going to use the end of a rat tail comb and blow dry it at the same time just to get that extra melt.
I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself.
I'm done with that, I'm gonna go in with my elastic band. I'm gonna let it sit while I do my part. So right here you can see that I'm indecisive whether I want to do a side part or a middle part. So I ended up going with a side part, but a middle part would have been cute too though. So with side parts, I like to do it in like a C type shape instead of like straight, just because I feel like it looks better. And with this wig, it didn't have a lot of parting space anyway, so I would have had to do it in a C part. So next I'm just gonna hot comb my hair into sections just so my wig can be extra flat.
Not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear.
So now that my part is done and my wig is flat, I can go ahead and take the elastic band off. I decided that I didn't want to do any baby hairs for this look just because, I don't know, I feel like with colored hair, the no baby hair look looks a lot nicer. So really the last step I'm going to do is I'm going to curl my hair. And I use the T3 curling iron, but I wish I would have used the flat iron because it looks a lot nicer. Like I used the flat iron after I turned off the camera and my curls was a lot prettier.
think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is the visions that we play. Sitting next to you.
So I'm finally done curling my hair, and this is what it looks like without combing the curls out. And this is what it looks like once I do comb the curls out. And I like to use my fingers to do this instead of a comb. I don't know, I feel like it comes out better looking, but my curls didn't come out that nice anyway, so.
It's not that I don't want you here.
So this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.